This was yesterday?
Easy second. How do you easy second,
bro?
Ooh, Dustin is second, bro. What are you talking about?
1.29.
My connection was so trash.
I'm surprised I even had a positive KD last night.
So Dustin, are you impressed?
You've definitely ascended.
So for those of you watching who have no idea what we're talking about, we've been playing Call of Duty as a team after work.
Better be confident, then.
Bro, you're in my sight, bro. Sean is in my sight, too. Oh, I don't even know where I'm at. I'm lost.
What?
Oh no. You still got a lot to learn under my tutelage.
I can just fly on my own like an eagle, like a peacock. Like a peacock.
I'm a peacock! You gotta let me fly!
Tesla Model S is in with us today. You guys remember this one? This is the one we sat and guarded the entire car. It's back today because we're doing a radar installation. Top of line radar detector, has jammers, so it's one of those really cool integrated ones. A lot more seamless. It's not like the type where you have on the front windshield mounted and just kind of dangling. It's not like that at all. You don't see the radar. There's a lot that goes into this. We're taking apart some trim panels to run wires to the bolt right there.
If you open up your eyes, it's 10 million fireflies.
Lit up the world as I fell asleep.
Only professional needed, huh?
What lesson is this in the rap dojo?
No, this is radar dojo.
Lesson number 1.
Lesson 0, wouldn't it?
I guess so. I don't know what the lesson is though.
Neither do I. That's a good question, actually.
No lesson today! Why are you locking your toolbox, bro?
Can we go watch?
This is actually the first time in the vlogs I'm going to show you guys a radar installation we did on a Tesla Model S. The Escort Max CI 360 radar system. Basically what makes this different than your typical windshield mounted radars is that it has 4 radar receivers, 2 in the front and 2 in the back, so you get protection from both front and rear. But not only does it just receive the radar, it also has laser shifters too, and what this basically does is it subtly alters a laser return signal, preventing it from reading a speed. So for example, windshield mounted radars will let you know that it has received a signal, however it's not actually altering the return signal, so the cameras can still capture how fast you're going, but with laser shifters they shouldn't be able to read your speed. So besides the 4 jammers I showed you outside, there's nothing else that's visible except for these 2 little modules here. So this top module allows you to adjust the volume of the radar, change some settings, you can mute it, things like that. And this little screen here will let you know what laser it's detecting, K-band, X-band, or any other bands. But the cool thing is right here, you guys can faintly see it, there are arrows, 1 point forward and 1 point back, and basically that will tell you the direction where the laser is coming from.
To get silencers on handguns, you have to have tax permits. But I'm putting a silencer on my RX-7.
Ted, I could go to AutoZone and make that, and I don't even know.
No, you can't. You cannot go to AutoZone and make
They
this.
have pipes at AutoZone.
Not to be made as silencers.
It's a stainless steel pipe.
So this would be illegal on a gun, but not on a car.
Okay, so is this to silence your exhaust?
Yeah, it is.
Why? You bought an exhaust because you wanted it louder and sound good, so why are you getting rid of the sound?
This is a Davy driver. I want it quiet. I just want it to look loud.
You notice
That doesn't look loud.
Oh, do you notice
No,
that?
the pipes are still big.
He started driving the Tesla more, and now he wants the RX-7 quieter.
Well, actually, my old RX-7, I did the same thing. I bought this for my old RX-7 and my Subaru. I don't like them loud. I never did.
It goes on the tailpipe.
It basically makes the pipe smaller to let out less exhaust, so it makes it quieter.
All right, let's see how it sounds. It's an exhaust upgrade.
What the f?
Sounds better. I think it has more backfire now. It backfires now.
It shoots flames now.
Wait, I think that back pressure is causing it to again.
And it doesn't sound any quieter.
Taking the light working on cars, Tyler. you on for lunch?
Oh, let me guess what we're doing. I see a Novitec box over there. Are we doing a spring installation? There's several lowering spring brands out there, as you guys probably know. So do your research when you're getting them.
My favorite is Cut Springs.
I would say though, we do the Novitec ones the most, probably because they are very comfortable.
It just sits in there and that's it?
Yep.
There. Okay, push it through.
So while Tyler is working on his Model 3 Novitec lowering spring installation, I do want to show you guys this because I think this would be very beneficial. So what will your paint look like if you don't have Clearbra? And you see all these dots everywhere? This whole entire front bumper is just pelted with rock chips and these light gray etchings like this here, like these. You can see it everywhere. What's causing all this obviously are rocks hitting the bumper consistently over and over. Dead bugs, bird droppings, a lot of damage happening to the front bumper. And this is clean, by the way. I have cleaned this bumper. There's nothing you can do about it anymore unless you paint correct this. And even when you paint correct this, you're not gonna get rid of these rock chips, like these little white specks here. It's permanent unless you repaint the full front bumper. So what's the big deal? The bumper is still mainly its original color, but the problem is that even though this bumper is now cleaned off, I cleaned this whole area, it still doesn't look clean, losing its luster. I mean, this car is probably 1-2 years old max, and it already looks like this. Now, if this doesn't bother you, then great, not a problem. You don't have to get a Clearbra, but if this does bother you, I highly recommend a Clearbra, and especially if you're going to do a ceramic coating, because there's no point in doing a ceramic coating if your paint is going to end up looking like this, especially since you have no Clearbra to protect it against physical damage.
Spit those facts. Hey, Hank.
We've done quite a few Novitec springs on the Model 3, but this is our first time doing it with the new 0G wheels from Tesla. I believe it comes in the track package, which is about $5,500 for the rims and tires, and they look pretty good with the new Novitec springs installed. But keep in mind though, as you can see, they do sit in a little bit now that the car is lowered. Pretty understandable because obviously they made the wheels to fit stock height suspension. Wheel gap is a lot better now. You still have a little bit, but it's a good amount. It doesn't look slammed or anything crazy like that. Just cutting down some of that makes a huge difference in how it looks. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We want to work on cars, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. I will see you next time.
Bye! You don't want to work in a car. It's a joke. We do too many. We do too many. Too many.
You can't tell them that.
You know, Ferrari engines are back there, and this is the front, right? Did you know that? Oh! But Ferrari engines are in the back.
Oh, what is this? An Italian car, a Fiat Chrysler.
Moisture in the headlights. Mamma mia.